Yeah.
Actually, no. There was actually a fucking cement truck that merged into my lane.
Okay.
I mean, I was going at a speed already.
Okay.
So I had to merge him, and by doing that, I had to do a pull.
Yeah. Give it a little walk. Yeah.
And I did see after I did the pull that there was a lot of.
Can you turn around just so the sun's all in your face?
Yeah. After I did the pull, I kind of noticed that there was a lot of. It didn't look like smoke, but it just looked like I ran over like dirt. You know what I mean? Like just like cloud of something. But then next thing I know that I noticed it again, the fucking temperature on the car was hot, and
wow, that thing just fully apart, huh?
Yeah, I mean, it just completely came off and coolant everywhere. Of course, coolant goes out of the motor, and the motor's gonna overheat. So,
all right, me and Bob are gonna look at our cars, see if there's anything that we can like. I don't know. Well, I mean, we're gonna have to come get you, like, fix that shit. So.
I think, I think we can put that back in place. And it's probably hot as fuck right now, but I think that goes back in together or not, you know?
That's what I'm saying. That's why I was like, hold on. Me and Bob are gonna look at our cars. It just presses in, right?
It just presses in, but bro, his shit's probably so hot right now. You probably can't touch a thing for at least an hour.
Yeah, I mean even on Bobby's, it looks like it just look. He kind of fitted in already, but like.
Yeah, but that's not it.
Yeah, I mean, of course, but I'm just saying like. It
yeah, I mean, I'm assuming it has to go all the way in, but like, how the fuck?
Okay.
Is there anything over it, like?
No, bro. Legit nothing, bro. Like nothing.
Let me see it.
Oh, my bad.
You good?
Here, you take this.
Regardless, Rick, we're gonna have to come to you with some coolant.
But we have to make sure that if we put it back in, it's not gonna just pop right the fuck back out. That's why I was like, ask Feller if there's like a trick or something, or maybe at JM Feller in the group chat and just be like, yo, is there like a? All right, you're doing it right now. All right, once they respond, me and Bob are gonna grab coolant and we'll slide over and help you fix that shit.
Alright, sounds good, Bubba.
Alright, brother. Okay, so me and Bobby are going to pick up Ricky because his car is actually a little messed up. The coolant line bracket basically snapped, so I mean it's gonna keep coming off, so we found a used one at the shop. We're gonna go put it on his car because Ricky doesn't know how to work on his own car.
Yep. Keep your oil changes. Cut.
I'm leaving that there. And yeah, so we'll be back in a bit, I guess, when we get there. 40 minutes later, we made it. Of course he's recording. Look at his happy ass. Look at his happy ass.
It's just a game.
What is that, number 4, Rick?
Okay! Every time we rescue we text. Every fucking time we rescue
Tell him, Bob.
Who texts?
What is that, number 3? Or 4?
I'm not even counting no more.
Alright.
Alright, so the homies are graduating today as mobile techs. I'm just gonna fucking quote unquote dust again. And I'm like,
Okay.
Yeah, that don't.
It's a 13, I tested it on my car.
Nice.
Okay, so this needs a turn. Yep.
Gucci. Back is Gucci. So literally not going nowhere.
Chill.
Yo, I'm a fucking tech. Like, real talk.
Honestly, bro.
Like, I'm just saying, like, this shit. 2 seconds, bro. 2 seconds.
What's up with that?
It's shredded. Has nothing to connect onto.
Alright, let's see.
So this is something that we definitely got to talk to UPR about. Again, this is a new cap. You guys saw me replacing it on my account.
Let me take a picture of this.
You guys saw me replacing it on my account. I was very thankful. I still am, but obviously this is the first time that it's coming off since I put it on that video. So if it's actually getting stuck again like that and ripping the fuck off, I mean,
okay,
not happy about it.
All right, so I mean, we can always put it back again,
okay,
so we can drive back,
okay,
and then, cause look, like,
yeah,
it'll go rather than not having anything. You feel me? So I don't know. Fill that bitch up. We can always add water. We have water.
Yeah, we can add water. Because like we're not freezing, you know.
So. Yeah, it's anything but freezing. All right.
Is it recording already?
Yep. Prime that bitch. Yep.
Okay.
Prime again. What? Let her eat.
All right.
Hold on. Let me just add a little bit.
Just add a little bit more.
All right. I mean, it's
Prime it.
Okay, priming. All right, going.
Hey, stop.
Turn it off. It's leaking just a bit at the tip.
Yep. It's leaking up here.
It's leaking just a bit at the tip.
It's leaking just. All right, so I pushed the hose a little bit up. I guess it's not leaking anymore for the most part. So adding more coolant, we're gonna start up ratchet and then see if she's ready.
No, I'm straight. No leaks or anything. It was previously leaking.
Sounding a little funny.
Nah. It sounds like our motors. Is there pressure in the line?
Some.
Might just take a bit. How's the coolant level looking? All right.
All right, fam, this camera is reaching temperature. All fixed up thanks to the techs at Parker Performance. If you guys need anything, please
Don't hit us up.
don't need us. But we were able to, the boys were able to fix and put the line back on. Everything seems all right. Obviously, this thing works because it has an unbroken bracket. But if you're gonna hit 80K or 100,000 miles on it,
Change it.
this might mean that you want to change it. Yeah.
It's a part under $100.
Yeah.
It's worth it.
We'll have it on the
because
website.
You could blow your motor up
Yep.
in no time. All right, catch up. He's trying to get. All right, what do you want? 40, 50, 60. Name your roll. There's a cop.
There's no way he counts that race as a win.
It don't matter if you win by an inch or a mile. Winning's winning.
Forgot to show you guys, but we made it to the shop. Ricky's car is perfectly fine, and he is eating. I know what you eating, right? Oh well.
We gone, man.
Damn, bro. Damn. Okay, Jay.
What up, dog?
What we doing to this thing, dog?
Roush coulter intake, which causes to cut the engine cover. Both of those are done. Front sway bar, just got that installed. Struts, shocks, and springs.
Oh.
Adding BMR camber bolts. So we've already got this side in, we got the sway bar in. Once I tighten up the front, we'll move on to the back. We've got shocks and springs for the back. We've got the IRS alignment bushings for the back. This car, we already did a Borla Spitfire twin X pipe. It's the one that's got like the 2 layers of X pipes. You might be able to sneak underneath there and show them.
Get it.
We already did Ford by Borla axle back, and we're putting a Lund tune on it today. So Lund tune, coulter intake, sway bars, lowering springs, shock struts, camber bolts, IRS alignment bushing. Yeah. Pretty good.
All that stuff's on the website, by the way.
All available at www.pp-fl.com. Show them that Spitfire Borla. Some people have messaged us over the time and asked us about it. I mean, it's very rare that we've ever had anybody buy it. This is actually the first customer that ever bought it from me was this gentleman, Dave Roberts. Slide on there and show that thing. Ready to rock and roll and be enjoyed.
Thank you.
All right. Want to fire it up and
Get some revs?
See what it sounds like.
Alexa, pause. Never listen.
Our neighbors are gonna fucking hate me.
Okay, job's done. Alright, so I'm actually not gonna bother the boys today that much. I'm learning how to use Premiere Pro. I've been using Rush for the longest on my personal laptop, so switching to Works computer. Just trying to, you know, make some switches and stuff. So don't think, again, I'm gonna be bothering the boys today. Let them do their thing. Well, actually, let's bother Cody real quick. Hey, Cody, ready to start?
Getting closer, but still not.
Okay, all right.
Finishing up the vacuum lines now. JP's working on the fuel system. That's just about done. Once we get vacuum lines and get some oil in it, it should be good to.
Don't say that. Don't say that. Yeah.
Probably tomorrow, maybe today. Let's see. Tomorrow.
Well, you guys are gonna see it once I learn how to use Adobe Premiere. Till then, nothing.
Hug me, love me, trust me, love me, love me.
What's going on? Yo, let me do my thing. What's going on, everyone?
Welcome back to the YouTube channel. It's your boy,
Yo, can you fire this guy, bro? I'm done. I'm done. All right, right here, Jay just installed a Borla attack on this 2023 GT. We got some sound clips of that and a little B-roll of the hood struts. Very essential for all these Mustangs. I don't know why I didn't have it on my car. And right here, Code Dog is ready to start it up, right, Code? Something like that. Yeah, this thing's fully opened up right now. So Code is doing the injectors, I think, right now.
Yep, just getting the fuel rails built. Then we can lower the blower itself on, and then start working towards the lid, and then coolant.
Damn.
Hopefully it's most of a car tonight.
Okay. All right, well, get ready for a bunch of B-roll. And well, I don't know if you guys know or not, but my car is getting totaled out. Yeah, I got in a rear end collision a few days ago. Juster just called me and said we are totaling the car out, so we have some work to do.
Anyways, none of us actually expected this to go down.
No, like as much as I knew that the car could have been totaled, I didn't think it was actually gonna happen. So I got the call today and they were like, yeah, she's a goner.
Yeah.
It's not out of lack of, you know, not wanting an EcoBoost anymore, guys. So keep building your shit.
If you ain't leeching, what can you offer? Niggas ain't got it, they just be talking. Niggas ain't got it, they just be talking. They gon' tell you.
Yeah, he's trying to hold down his tears.
Turbo swap!
What's up? What's that? What's that?
That is what all y'all VA niggas over, bro. This little thing. That little thing. B500, C8, boosted Coyote, NA Coyote, what is it? B58, all y'all got the smoke. All y'all. Roll the clip. Roll the goddamn clip.
On me, you know what I'm repping, it's eyes, so yeah, you know we dressing, our blessings is coming, they know that we destined. I get a lover, they know how we coming, just send us the budget, She wanna suck in my hands on her weed, she tell me don't touch it, what you doing? We bringing them vibes, you know we don't force it, tell them no rushes at all. Hate us or love us, it really don't matter, ain't holding no grudges.
Alright, me and the boys have almost everything out. The only things we have left are tighten turbo, put stock downpipe, and put wheels back on. Let's get back to Code Dog.
Here on the metal and Dremel that out.
Okay.
And then
when it's off, they asked you to take that off. So.
I'll say, yeah, my old man would Dremel that shit the fuck out.
Yeah, I think I got this.
Jay helping me knock out my car and Bob Dog. And Code Dog is killing this thing back there. So I don't know what's been recorded, what's not been recorded, but we will be back as we're, you know, moving through with stuff.
Yeah.